It's April. This is your Monday supporter file. I was inspired by Simon Says, I believe it was on this one. I saw it on Pinterest. And I thought I would make a file. Now, I don't know what size theirs was. I just made a file and did mine. So I'm using art glitter glue. You're going to have your glitter tag, and then you're going to have your basic white with your writing on it. Now, if you're using regular cardstock, or if you're using maybe shimmer paper, then you can put your pretty side to the mat and just have it right on the back, so you can attach it to your tag if you want and just have it do it that way and cut it. Or you can do it like I'm doing it here and did separate tags, and I'm just gluing my white tag to the back. It's going to make the tag a little bit sturdier. So I opted with the cutting the white tags and cutting the glitter cardstock. The Cricut glitter cardstock is awesome. You're going to need some kind of embellishment. I'm using, these are some silver studs I've had for years, but you could probably find them at Hobby Lobby or somewhere like that. You're going to need a ribbon of choice. I used my white gel pen and my Cricut extra fine pen. My extra fine was for the writing on the back, and the glitter gel was for these tags. I was looking for a way to use them when I ran across that photo on Pinterest, and I thought, oh, perfect. So what we're going to do, now you can also cut these out of glitter cardstock if you want, but I wanted that same look like they had, and I didn't want it to be too flashy. I wanted it to have some pop by using a mixed medium. So choose what you want. You can use, like I said, anything that you want on these. And I am just going to be using some foam dots, and I'm going to go on the back of these snowflakes, and I'm going to go and look at my file. Let me show you guys the file too, so that I put these together the right way. Let's see. So I have this snowflake on the silver and the red tag. So I'm going to go and grab my red tag here, and you can see the file there. Again, if you can detach the to and from, or use your own writing, whatever, and attach it onto the front of this color piece, and just flip your material over and let it write on the back if it's white on the back, and do it that way. If it's not double-sided but a solid core, then you can write on there with whatever color pen that you want. Your gel pens, your white gel pens would be beautiful on the back of these as well if you want to use regular cardstock. All right, so there's your little file. And let's go back to the main overhead. There we go. And so I've got my little foam dot on there, and I am just going to pop that. I may do a couple more on here. Make sure that's not going to be seen. No, it's fine. You can cut them in half too if yours are going to be seen. Could use a smaller one. That's in the wrong spot. And I cut my snowflakes on intricate cardstock setting. So you can do that. I'm going to see if I got a smaller dot. Have these little micro dots. Maybe those might work better. Just depends on how much you want yours to pop up, what you use. I may not do this on the other ones. We'll see. That one is there. Peel those liners off. And you can glue them directly on too. You don't have to pop them up at all if you don't want to. But I like that dimension. I like the way that that's popping up. So I am going to use my little micros. And I'm not going to make you guys watch me put all of these together. I'm just going to do the one here so that you can see. And you can mix and match these and do them any way that you want. I don't know. Those dots aren't wanting to stick to that very well. So, take those off. And I'm just going to glue mine directly down. How about that? I'll leave that one there. That won't hurt anything. If you're using art glitter glue, it will stick to the glitter. Some adhesives, like these dots, they're just not sticking to the glitter. So, I'll put some in the center and just run right down the center of these. I'm not going to glue every one down, and maybe go halfway up on these because they do overhang slightly. All right. That looks good. So I'm going to place that there, and then we'll just pop this up. How about that? Let's see, which one do I want? Let's go with the Merry Christmas here, like I have it in the file. We're going to bring this just down. I'm probably going to use about 3 on here so we don't get any sagging for our tag. And then we'll pop that down on the snowflake itself so it'll stick to that without any problem. Again, your art glitter will stick to this very easily. And do I want a small, a medium, a large? Let's see. Check and see which size I like the best. Oh, I like that. I do like the large one. I'm going to pop that right in the middle. How pretty is that? Super simple, easy, and very pretty. Now the ribbon that you use or the tag, that's totally up to you. I'm just gonna, excuse me. You can do these as long or as short as you want. You can put them on your gifts, on wine bottles. I apologize, got a little tickle in my throat. And then, and you could use twine here too, I guess. I think that's what they used. I don't remember. But I wanted a ribbon. I'm just going to loop that right through. Super fun, simple, easy. A little bit more of an angle on that. How cute. So you're just going to layer them up. Super easy and simple. You have a great day. Happy crafting. I'll catch you on the next video.